This video is for operating CIS to capture image. Open package and check product. If there has breakage, please contact us. Put CIS on facility. Keep parallel between CIS glass surface and scanning object surface. Set up distance of external light source according to specification. If change angle, please design rotational mechanical. Keep aligning between external light source center and CIS center. Adjust distance of transmission light source according to actual usage. Make sure the PC has PCIe card slot X4, X8, X16. The version should be PCIe Gen 2 or higher. Install software and driver of grabber card. After installation, it can be seen at Device Manager. Update firmware of grabber card. The product is SLC series. Switch grabber card to base mode. This CIS only has one base port. Select physical port and map to empty port. Select suitable COM port. Select automated object. Finally select saving setting. Then restart computer. If CIS has more than 2 base ports, set up separately. Connect CIS power connector according to specification. Connect aviation connector 1 and 2 to 24V separately. Connect CIS to grabber card by camera link cable. If encoder is used, please set up by manual. Config CIS is a software for controlling CIS. It sends instructions to CIS through COM port of grabber card. Open config CIS. Select CIS mode and port. This CIS is SLC series, so select SLC. Switch to all-in-one window, click Start. Select COM port as 10, click OK. Open Supera Cam Expert. This CIS is color image, so select base color. Then open CCF file for grabber card configuration. Click grab or snap to capture image. We have various products with different effective width and interface. Please contact us for more information.